guys, we're at Universal Studios Harry Potter Land. We made it on the Hogwarts Express. Well, almost made it. There's Colin, Brooke, Justin. So far we waited about 25 minutes, but not so bad. There comes the train. I don't even like Harry Potter and I'm excited. An owl. The train just pulled in. You do have to have a 2-park pass to ride the train, or they will not let you on it. I'm going to try to videotape some of the ride if I can.